Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove link on your Instagram profile by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application and log in into your account. And whenever you already logged in with your account, you just need to jump into the profile section. And then in this profile section, you just need to take a look on your bio over here. On my account there is a link over here, and let's remove this link. So to remove this link, you just need to go click this edit profile, and in this edit profile you just need to go into this links down here, and after that you just need to go click this link, and now you just need to go click remove link. After that, there will be pop up here the confirmation tab, and then you just need to go click remove and confirm that you want to remove the link. And now you just need to wait until the link is removed by Instagram, and whenever it's gone, you just need to go back into your profile again, and now the links is already removed from your Instagram. So that's the way how to remove link from your Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.